Hello, I'm Lily from Delhi and I'm Delhi's top matchmaker. In India, marriages are not just about marriage. It is a union between two bank accounts. Just like mutual funds subject to market risks.
Hit the bell icon and get notified every time we post a new video.
Matchmaking is a tough job. I personally research my clients, their residence, their lifestyle, and then I also talk to padosis, friends, pets. Then I refer to my manual database. It is all on paper. I am not very good with technology. I then match age, caste and height. Sometimes families are very picky. So I give them education, package and horoscope also. No, sex life I can't give up. कहीं तो compromise करना पड़ेगा ना. I have known the Bahugunas and the Bedis for a very long time now. Both are very, very good families. Apsara is a very nice girl, but she is too expressive. She talks a lot and is not very flexible. Ali is an architect, but his self-construction is a little weak. Let's see.
See, I'm looking for someone who has a clear thought process, but not too clear, Like someone who's between the age of 35 to 38, someone who hates football, comedy, and traveling. Someone who can cook, clean, do babysitting. And because I love to read, I really want a partner, who doesn't write too much. Because, who wants to read their own husband's work? Not me.
Fickle-minded and fussy.
I want someone like my mother. That's the only requirement, I guess. Mother.
It is going to be a tough match. I keep telling them they have to be flexible. Flexibility is compatibility. Now see, Apsara is such a pretty girl and she is also very well settled. But she is confused. And Ali is a good boy, but I don't get very positive vibes from his mother. It is very difficult to satisfy both, him and his mother.
How me?
Ever since I was a child, I've been looking for the one. But in the past, I've had a lot of shady things pass. So I had my fries eaten, my charger borrowed, my makeup stolen. I'm keeping my expectations low. But I'm also 34, so I feel needy too. If you know what I mean.
She can be very intimidating.
I have rejected around 99 girls till now because I just did not feel physically and mentally attracted to their biodata. I did not. I don't think that you need to meet someone to be, to be connected with them. No. Also, my speciality is miso paneer. I make.
Now I keep telling parents, don't reject girls on the basis of biodata. Madhav has rejected so many girls. But Sophia is out of his league. She is also very flexible, more than she should be. Now last guy I selected for her, he was not interested in marriage. Now Madhav can also turn out like that, but I will take my chance.
Marriages are made in heaven. I am just here to make money out of God's job. Once the girl and the boy meet, my job is done. Now either they can make peace with it or continue in high expectations and hopes.
Hi, I'm Apsara.
On my pencil. Just joking. It's very nice to meet you, Apsara ji. My name is Ali. So, how was your day?
It was was great. It was great. It actually took me like 6 hours to get here, you know. Like, I took the metro and I went to the airport, to Rajouri, to Model Town, to Janpat.
But आप तो 2 स्टेशन दूर रहती हैं.
Oh, no. You know, the thing is, I just really like to travel. So I'm always looking for that one extra metro ride which can take me around the city, you know. It's just, it's my life's daily struggles.
Fickle-minded.
What do you do?
I make Instagram videos with mummy.
Oh, great. What kind of videos?
Cooking videos. I love cooking. My mummy is a great cook. So everything that I've learned it from her.
That's nice.
You should also learn it. Do you know how to cook?
No, I don't. I mostly just order in. You know, I never thought it'll go so well, but I seem to enjoy his company.
So, what preferences did you tell Lily ma'am?
Well, I just asked her to find me someone who's understanding, you know, who loves me and cares about me. I don't think that's a lot to ask, right?
Very hot. Very.
So, आप क्या करती हैं?
I also work full-time as a divorce lawyer in a firm. I really like helping people go on solo trips by helping them get their divorces quickly.
Lot of similarities I found. I also love going on trips with mummy.
So, what are you looking for?
I want someone who is very homely, loves kids, loves cooking, and somehow resembles my mummy.
They want everything.
I don't do any of that. Anyway, what are your hobbies?
Ludo I love playing.
Just when everything was going well, boom.
So most of my day usually goes at work only. And once I'm back, then I like to spend time with mummy and walk my dog. And then weekends I keep for Rishta meetings like these. Just regular lifestyle of a 40-year-old man.
Wait, what? You're 40?
हाँ वो मम्मी ने प्रोफाइल में 2 साल कम लिखवाया.
I guess his 55-minute window is over. I mean, that's my time window when I don't like someone.
I like her. बाकी before she is my wife, she is my mummy's बहू. मम्मी की हाँ में बेटे की हाँ है. That's what thing is. Because mummy knows best.
You see, I've just turned 35, and I think I'm just gonna be more open about things, you know? Like, so I worn my blue sapphire ring, can you see? And I think I'm just gonna be like more positive from now on.
Sophia?
Hi, I'm Sophia. Nice to meet you.
Hi. Why are you crying? What happened? Are you okay?
I mean, honestly, you didn't turn up for 5 minutes and I thought you won't come.
I should have gone back home. Right. I'm really sorry. I was with my sister, yaar. We were actually having hookah.
Just send me some chocolates and flowers when you go home.
Too demanding.
Okay. I mean, if that makes you feel better, I can also send you some miso paneer with fries, huh?
I don't want to keep high expectations, but he's cute. But do you like ketchup on fries?
I like mayo.
Oh my god, I like it too. I think we're just made for each other. We should get married next week.
That's definitely not happening.
Mother is not serious. He is taking this very lightly.
So, what did you ask Lily auntie?
So, I was pretty vague actually. I just said that I want someone who doesn't cancel on me and understands that I'm half Guyanese.
Lovely! I know how to make Guyanese. Literally, I serve it with molten lava dipped in liquid nitrogen. Oh my god, it's amazing.
Guyanese is not a dish.
Then I can make one and call it with that name. No, not happening. I think we lack attraction.
So, what are you looking for in a girl?
You see, all my friends are married. So when we go to a party, they make fun of me. Also, I'm a jewelry designer, so I want someone whom I can try my designs on.
So you want a mannequin?
Like, not like a mannequin, but like a mannequin I'm physically attracted to.
So he's kind of creepy, but still cute. I came in with a lot of fear and uncertainty, but I think he's the one. I also like that he asked me for my number, and I am looking forward to it.
I have given her the wrong number. I mean, Sophia is a sweet girl. She's nice, but not my type. You know, her dish choice was boring, just like her. And I feel I deserve better. So I'm gonna reject her just like I rejected the 99 other girls and complete my century.
It's okay, I'm fine. I don't hate anything, I just hate being on my period. Oh, I really thought he's the one.
If the stars are not aligned, then all my efforts are waste. But if you think you have friends whose stars are aligned for marriage, please tag them in this video and also like and comment and subscribe to IDEA. Should I tell them to take my number also? Friends, no.